Do you want to be a part of a 24/7 gated community in a very luxurious venture which also is at a prime location and is just for rupees 25,000 per square yard? You see, Palm Greens is an HMDA and RERA approved venture, which means that you do not have to at all worry about the clear titles or the documentation work, because we also provide you with 75 plus years of the legal link documents. So where exactly is our beautiful venture located at? Well, it is right in front of a 100 feet approach road, right in the center of Shadnagar, which has now become the most talked about place of Hyderabad. It is just 1 kilometer away from the NH44 and only a few minutes away from the regional ring road as well as the outer ring road, and in just 15 minutes you will be close to the airport. And do you know, this area is surrounded by all the top multinational companies which easily bring employment opportunity as well as value to your land. Now, what exactly are those MNCs? You will get to see Microsoft, MSNO, LV Prasad Eye Institute, Quancha Pokarna Engineered Stones, and many more. And do you know that we also provide you with all the kinds of amenities that you can think of, like the underground electricity, the footpath laying work, these wide internal CC roads, these water pipelines connected across all of our footpaths. Not just that, but you also get a clubhouse, a basketball court, and a lot more. The list just does not end here. Yes, our venture is completely affordable. It is just for rupees 25,000 per square yard, with our plot sizes ranging from 150 to 1,000 square yards. Remember, this deal will not be the same as the area keeps on developing and the value for land keeps increasing. So hurry up, come for a site visit, contact us right away, and our team will find you here at Palm Greens.